And does it go full screen? Yes! Yes, full screen, let's go. Oh wow. Hi, Ken from Make Tech here. We're going to have a look at the new model from Claude Anthropic, Fable 5, or sort of aka Mythos. It's been in the news. Basically, what I've done, we'll have a look at the old web page first, which is a game, VR Neo Tokyo Flyer. So this one, yeah, obviously it's VR. So we've got one set of like physics reality, and then two cameras for the two different eyes. And yeah, I think I've covered this before, but yeah, it's a pretty cool little thing, and it works. So the way I'm gonna run that is with this little USB-C keyboard. It's plugged into my phone that's running, and we use one of these headsets like this. So just put a phone in there, and that can run VR. Bring Claude over, have a quick look. I do use AI to write prompts for like big coding runs like this. So yeah, I find you basically make a big list of do's and don'ts, or always and never. So yeah, being quite explicit about what we are trying to achieve here. It's quite a long thing. This was made by GPT 5.5 extended reasoning, and so I gave ChatGPT the game that I just showed you, the HTML, and then said basically make it go from like a beta level game to more features, demo ready, like deployable demo. So not trying to do like some crazy, like not trying to set the bar so high that it's going to fail, but yeah, we're going to take advantage of the new powerful Fable 5 model. So anyway, so you can see how long that prompt is, quite long. Yeah, it's and that I've found that definitely helps, doing that two-stage prompting thing. So yeah, and then away it goes. So Fable 5, boom, boom, boom. Thought for quite a while. Pretty much used up most of a session's worth of tokens. I put it in what's it called? UltraCode, which is pretty cool. It's got the little animation. I love that. UltraCode. And yeah, so for this prompt here, I just put it in the smallest amount of reasoning, just so it came up with a solution for a small bug. And I said, right, go ahead, do that. And yeah, away it goes. So, and the last little edit, yeah, pretty small, pretty good little fix it did there. Did that pretty quickly. So yeah, this took technically just more than one coding session with the standard paid Claude license. But anyway, enough talking. Let's have a look. I guess you're gonna have to see me play the game. I can yeah, I'll run the new version on here and we can have a look at it. Okay, here's the new game. So it loads up straight away with this like faded background and little thing how to control it, which is actually interesting that that's not stereoscopic. I hadn't thought of that until just now, so that would not look right in a VR headset, but yeah, I guess that's fine. And yeah, it did a little cool thing which is nice, so you can press F to make it full screen, which works. I didn't know, I mean I guess I knew HTML could do that, but I hadn't really played with that before. So yeah, we press enter and away we go, right? So there's some more sound effects, whereas the old one had no sound effects. And all I have to do is not get seen by the drones with the little field of view spotlight thing, and then just go and collect fuel, and then it does a little bounce and you get some fuel. That sound is probably pretty annoying, I'll turn that off. But yeah, anyway, that's the game. So it's added a few more details, like the rooftop has yeah, little objects on there. They're even slightly 3D as well, which is cool. But yeah, anyway, so this is, it's not supposed to be some amazing game that everyone's going to play or anything. This is just more of like a bit of a research and development project to see if you can do VR stereoscopic in HTML, and also using, obviously using 3JS for the 3D engine. And yeah, you can. But anyway, I'm going to play this with the headset and probably have to edit that together so that it's not too boring for people to watch me. So let's try that. See there, it's in the little carriage plugged into the keyboard. A little rig, I guess you could say. And does it go full screen? Yes! Yes, full screen, let's go. Oh wow, and it's got the sound running out of the little... Probably hear that coming out of there. Okay, that's interesting. So my eyes can't line up the two sides together when it's in full screen, but then in just normal landscape mode it can line them up, and it's not bad. This is pretty immersive. So I need to fix a couple of things on this to make it playable with the headset, but it's it's just a little demo. People can download the HTML and play with it, do their own development versions, make new games. Yeah, well, this is surprisingly good, to be honest. Anyway, well, that's an experience. Still needs a little bit of tweaking to really polish it up, but that is working. And shut up. Yeah, so that needs a bit of tweaking to get it working better in the headset, but it works. Yeah, so it's just a bit of a demo showing you can do VR with a HTML 3JS, and yeah, it's a nice way. Like, people, you can vibe code stuff pretty well now, like with these new models, like this new Claude model. Anyway, I didn't want to go on for too long with this one. Hopefully I can edit that down to a reasonably short little demo video. That's it for this one. Catch you later. Bye.